What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG and AOMC YouTube channels, and I'm back again today with some more news, some KTM news about the new models. I think this is going to be pretty exciting. Now, guys, there have been rumors floating around about KTM's new two-strokes for a year now. I myself have done at least 3 videos about the new TPI, TBI rumors, what they're going to do and what models. That is kind of still up in the air with the 250 and 300, but I think what has escaped a lot of people is that apparently there's a new 125 150 engine in the works, guys. I didn't even notice that one of the photos that I put in my last 250 300 rumor video was actually a 125 or 150. Somebody let me know about it afterwards and I was kind of shocked. So apparently there is a brand new 125 or 150, guys. I'm gonna put that photo up here, but it's pretty radical. So from the photos we've seen of this so far, the engine is completely new. The Kickstarter is removed, so we know this thing's electric start. We see what looks to be an electronic power valve, new engine mounts, and TBI. That would be throttle body injection, guys. This is pretty exciting. We still don't know if they're going to leave TPI on the XCWs and then just put TBI on the SXs and the XCs. That's still up in the air, but we have a date for when we're going to find all this out. I've been told by my good friend in Greece that this is all going to be announced on May 8th. So mark your calendars, a day to look forward to. I'll be dropping the info here as soon as we get it, but all new 125 engine for 2023. So this bike will release information wise May 8th, and then this bike should end up at dealers in as early as June. If this is the case, I really don't know how KTM has pulled this off. That means they have done 2 all-new 4-strokes and 2 all-new 2-strokes. The whole motocross line is new, and the whole off-road line will be new, and that all that R&D, all that stuff was done right in the middle of COVID. I don't see how they can not have a bike shortage next year with everything being new like this, but regardless, it's pretty exciting. We have a lot to look forward to in the next couple years with KTM. And I've had a 2022 Yamaha in the shop, and I've set up suspension on it and done some graphics on it, and started really researching those. And don't get me wrong, it's a super cool bike. They made some changes, and you can say they're good, you can say they're bad, but I guess I just expected a little more from 16 years at Yamaha. I know it's a brand new bike, but I feel like KTM still is a little ahead of them. And with this all new bike this summer, electric start, all that, I mean, it's not even going to be close. So I'm glad Yamaha made the new bike, and it's more than the other Japanese manufacturers are willing to do. But I wish they would step up and go even further with it, and maybe they will. So either way, guys, that's all the information I have. If anybody else has any more information about these new models and you want me to share it, drop it in my inbox on Facebook or send me an email, themxguru@gmail.com. You can remain completely anonymous and I'll get it out to everybody. So all this information I have is not in any way come from anyone affiliated with KTM that I'm aware of. So no one from KTM has told me anything. So thanks for watching, guys. If you appreciate these videos, you can support for free by just subscribing and turning on that bell so you get notifications. And if you'd like to go one step further and really be a part of the race team, then you can hit that blue join button. And if you sign up for the race mechanic tier or higher, I'm gonna put your name on my 2022 factory edition 450 SXF. So thanks so much, guys. Coming to you from my backyard. I'll see you in the next video.